Welcome to my channel, Learn with Teacher Ali. Hello children, our topic for today is about reading. And then after that, we are going to answer some questions that are related to our topic. If you are ready, let's get started. Reading comprehension for grade 1. My new puppy. I have a new puppy. His name is Max. Max is small and has brown fur. He likes to play with his red ball. We play in the park. I love Max. Children, it's your turn to read. It's question time! What is the name of the puppy? A. Joey, B. Max, C. Rex, D. Leo. The correct answer is B. Max. What color is Max? A. Black, B. White, C. Brown, D. Gray. The correct answer is C. Brown. What does Max like to play with? A. A blue frisbee, B. A green stick, C. A red ball, or D. A yellow bone. The correct answer is C. A red ball. Where do they play? A. In the yard, B. In the park, C. In the house, or D. On the beach. The correct answer is B. In the park. The big tree. There is a big tree in my yard. It is very tall and green. Birds live in the tree. I see them fly. I like to sit under the tree. Children, it's your turn to read. It's question time! Where is the big tree? A. In the park. B. In the yard. C. In the forest. D. On the mountain. The correct answer is B. In the yard. What color is the tree? A. Red. B. Yellow. C. Green. D. Blue. The correct answer is C. Green. What lives in the tree? A. Squirrels. B. Cats. C. Birds. D. Monkeys. The correct answer is C. Birds. What does the child like to do under the tree? A. Run. B. Sit. C. Climb. D. Dance. The correct answer is B. Sit. Jenny gets ready for school. Jenny gets ready for school. First, she wakes up and gets out of bed. Then, she gets dressed. After that, she eats breakfast. Next, she brushes her teeth. Finally, Jenny goes to school. Children, it's your turn to read. It's question time! What does Jenny do first? A. Gets dressed. B. Wakes up. C. Eats breakfast. Or D. Brushes her teeth. The correct answer is B. Wakes up. What does Jenny do after getting dressed? A. Goes to school. B. Brushes her teeth. C. Eats breakfast. Or D. Wakes up. The correct answer is C. It's breakfast. What is the last thing Jenny does before going to school? A. Gets dressed. B. Wakes up. C. Brushes her teeth. Or D. Eat breakfast. The correct answer is C. Brushes her teeth. Whiskers. Lisa has a pet cat named Whiskers. Whiskers is black and white. He likes to play with his toy mouse and sleep in the sun. Lisa feeds Whisker fish for dinner. Children, it's your turn to read. It's question time! What is the name of Lisa's pet cat? A. Fluffy. B. Whiskers. C. Tiger. D. Shadow. The correct answer is B. Whiskers. What color is Whiskers? A. Black and white. B. Brown. C. Gray. D. Orange. The correct answer is A. Black and white. What does Lisa feed Whiskers for dinner? A. Chicken. B. Vegetables. C. Fish. D. Milk. The correct answer is C. Fish. Charlie, the hungry caterpillar. Once upon a time, there was a small caterpillar named Charlie. Charlie was always hungry. One day, he found a big green leaf and started eating it. He ate, and soon he wasn't hungry anymore. The next morning, Charlie had turned into a beautiful butterfly. He flapped his wings and flew away, happy and full. Children, it's your turn to read. It's question time! What was the caterpillar's name? A. Tommy, B. Charlie, C. Benny, D. Sammy. The correct answer is B. Charlie. What did Charlie eat? A. A flower, B. A big green leaf, C. A fruit, D. Grass. The correct answer is B. A big green leaf. What did Charlie turn into the next morning? A. A bee, B. A bird, C. A butterfly, D. A frog. The correct answer is C. A butterfly. Great job, everyone! Yeah! Thank you for watching! Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for you to be updated on our latest videos. See you on our next lesson. Goodbye!